Welcome to the Game Audio Resource Wwise Cube Guide series. In this guide we will script material types to textures, so the game engine can inform Wwise which footstep material type is being moved on by the player character. This guide will fix different material types not playing correctly, help you identify texture tiles with no audio material type association, suggest a good alternative fix for the broken hard-coded water material type. Boot up the game and load the default map MET-L3. Connect Wwise to the game, then change Wwise to the profile layout. As you walk over certain text tiles in the map, you will see green error lines appear in the Wwise profiler. This means the texture tile the character moved over does not have an audio material associated with it, so the previous audio material last called will stay triggering. This is why footsteps are not consistently changing through all game maps when the player character moves onto different texture tiles. We will use the error missing material for wtrim_h_32b.jpg as the example for the rest of this guide. In your local directory where the game data is kept, navigate to this file cube/cube/data/default_map_settings. Open the file in Notepad++. In this file is a list of all models, sky maps and texture types. Ctrl+F to bring up the search box. Type wtrim_h_32b. One entry will be found on line 209. To add an audio material to the texture tile, change it to the line you see on screen now. Save the file, Ctrl+S. Boot up the game and move over the same texture tile again that we moved over in step 1. When an entity is in water, the code should switch the footsteps to play water footstep assets. Sadly, the code appears to be broken. To compensate for this, we will add water texture tiles to the map wherever water is shallow. Boot up the game and load the map AQUAE, then connect Wwise. In the middle of the map is a small water stream. If you move the player character through the water and watch the Wwise profiler, you will notice no water footsteps get called. First, let's update the default_map_settings file. Find the texture tile in the file called Golgotha/water2, line 144. Change the line to texture material and then at the end, in quotations, add water with a capital W. Save the file updates. Boot up the game, then load the map AQUAE, then move the player character to the water stream in the middle of the map. Press E to enter the map edit mode. Drag select tile boxes that are 100% under the water level. With the mouse wheel, roll it either towards you or away from you to raise or lower the selected area. This helps you see the texture tile graphic. Press the command line button and type edit text D 50. To cycle one tile at a time, press the delete key on your keyboard until you find the water tile texture. Use the mouse wheel to move the selected tiles back under the water. Exit edit mode by pressing E. Now move the player character across the new water texture tile. Water footsteps should now trigger. Repeat the process along the entire stream until all water tiles are changed to the correct water tiles. Once you have tagged all texture tiles and you are happy with the results, save the map. Press the command line button, then type Save Map. A message will be displayed stating the map has been updated. At this point, it is worth going through all maps to scope and schedule task times needed for any maps that have shallow water present. You can use the environment tracker document to highlight which maps need doing. Testing at this point would just bring up a lot of false positives. I suggest completing the next guide, Chapter 7C, before testing all material type content.